There are things dog owners do every day that seem completely normal. But to your dog, those same things can feel stressful. Like when you leave the house and suddenly your dog destroys everything. Or when you hug your dog, thinking they love it. But do they? Or when your dog suddenly stops eating just to look at you. Most dog owners never realize what their dog is feeling, but after this video, you will. If your dog destroys things when you leave, it's not bad behavior. It's a stress response, and most owners accidentally make it worse. Within minutes of you leaving, cortisol levels start rising, heart rate increases, the brain shifts into survival mode. Now here's what most loving owners don't realize. When you make emotional goodbyes, high voice, hugs, "I'll miss you, baby," you create a dopamine spike right before total absence. Research shows stress markers remain elevated for 30 to 60 minutes after departure. That's the danger window. That's when destruction happens. That chew? It smells like you. Chewing releases endorphins, natural stress regulators. He's not being destructive. He's self-soothing. So here's what actually works. Neutral departures, calm energy, no emotional spikes, and one powerful tool, frozen enrichment toys. The first 20 to 40 minutes are peak anxiety. If you occupy the brain there, you flatten the cortisol curve. You see damage. He feels loss. And the next mistake most loving owners make is even more surprising. If you hug your dog like this, there's a real chance he doesn't actually enjoy it. And most owners never notice. He stays still, he doesn't fight. But staying still isn't always comfort. Sometimes it's compliance. In canine body language, restricting movement can signal pressure. Movement equals safety. Restriction can trigger stress. Watch closely. Lip licking, turning the head away, freezing. These are stress signals. Research in animal behavior shows that subtle stress signs often go unnoticed by humans, which means you might be missing them. If your dog freezes in your arms, that's not affection. That's compliance. And compliance isn't the same as trust. Instead, try this. Pet from the side. Pause. If he leans back in, that's consent. If he moves away, respect it. When dogs initiate contact, stress markers decrease. Trust increases. Choice lowers anxiety. Love isn't how you express it. It's how he experiences it. And the next mistake most owners make happens every single day. Have you ever noticed this? Your dog starts eating, then suddenly looks at you. They take a bite, look at you, eat again, look again. Most people think their dog is guarding the food or checking if someone will take it. But that's usually not true. Dogs evolved to eat in groups. In a pack, eating together means safety. So when your dog looks at you, he's not protecting the food, he's checking something else. He's making sure the moment is safe, that you're calm. If your dog looks at you while eating, stay calm. Don't interrupt, let him feel safe. Because sometimes, your dog isn't watching the food, he's watching you. And the next behavior dogs show confuses almost every owner. But once you understand it, you'll see your dog very differently. You think you have time? More walks, more games. But for your dog, time moves differently. 1 year for you can mean 5 to 7 years for your dog. While you feel time passing slowly, your dog's life moves faster. For them, every walk matters. Every game matters. Every moment with you matters. But sometimes, we're too busy. Too distracted? Too tired? And while we think we have more time, our dogs are simply getting older. To you, it's just another day. To your dog, it's a piece of their life. Your dog watches you. Far more than you think. Every movement. Every emotion. Dogs study our faces constantly. Studies show dogs can read human emotions. They notice when you're sad, when you're stressed, when you're calm. Even changes in your voice.
Do you want to go outside?
And even the chemicals in your scent. Dogs can actually smell your stress hormones. Which means your dog often knows you're not okay before anyone else does. So if your dog comes to sit beside you, maybe they're not asking for attention. Maybe they're checking on you. You sit down to eat, and suddenly your dog appears. Those eyes, that stare, that silent pressure. You ignore it, but the stare continues. Most people think their dog is just hungry. But begging is actually a learned behavior. At some point, your dog got food from the table, and your dog remembered it. Dogs repeat behaviors that worked before. The solution is simple. Never reward the stare. Instead, teach your dog where to wait. Reward calm behavior, not begging. Soon your dog learns something new. Dinner time is calm time.